So this is a program to show the sum of two 8-bit numbers using Kale and Proteus. So Kale will be dealing with the programming aspect of it and Proteus will be dealing with the simulation part of it. Now coming to the program, it has two header files 8089x51.h and kjcserial.h. So the first header file 8089x51 indicates that we are using the Atmel 89C51 microcontroller. And the second header file, which is the kjc serial.h, is a custom made header file which helps to get or print the data using the PC keyboard on the Proteus simulator screen. Now coming to the main program, we are specifying two unsigned characters byte 1 and byte 2. Now to tmod is equal to 0x20, we are initiating to work mode 2, which is 8-bit auto reload, by giving the tmode the hexadecimal value 0x20, and tmode is a special function register associated with the timer. So to the next one, th1 is equal to 0xfd. In th1, when we give the hexadecimal value as 0xfd, which indicates that the baud rate will be 9600. And to the next one, scon is equal to 0x50. So scon is also associated with UART, and when we give the hexadecimal value as 0x50, which is 01010000, which is in a binary format, which means we are setting SM1 and REN to high state, which activates mode 1, which is an 8-bit UART, and enabling reception, which means collecting data sent via PC keyboard. Now to the next is the TR is equal to 1, which indicates that we are setting the timer to run by giving 1, which is in high state. The next comes is a while loop. So inside the while loop, the first it is written as printf, that is enter the first byte. So the user is set to give a value to the byte 1. So then the byte 1 is equal to the read byte PC, where the read byte PC is a predefined function which is available only in the kjc serial header file. Similarly, same goes for the printf enter the second byte, and the user is said to give a second value to the byte 2. And the similar manner, the byte 2 is equal to read byte PC is same as the above one. Okay, so the next one comes is the printf sum, and which indicates the sum of the two values which is given by the users. So the byte 2 PC, byte 1 plus byte 2 shows the that it is these two bytes are added and the resultant value will be given in the statement of the Proteus simulator screen. So after this we have to create an hex file for this program, and then we have to go to the Proteus simulator. So in the Proteus simulator, we are using a microcontroller 8089C51 and a virtual terminal. So the virtual terminal RxD port is connected to the TXD port of the microcontroller, which implies that the data is transferred from the virtual terminal to the microcontroller, and RxD port of the microcontroller is connected to the TXD port of the virtual terminal, implies that the processed value in the microcontroller is given to the virtual terminal. So after that we run the program. Now go to the debugging part, debugging option, and click the virtual terminal. So now the screen shows enter the first byte. So the user is set to give a first byte. So we are giving 24, and the next then we have to enter, then the next byte will be shown like second, enter the second byte. So in the second byte we are giving as 12. So the final value will be sum is equal to 36. So this is the program for the addition of two 8-bit numbers.